Today we're checking out the Wera 9530 torque wrench set, designed specifically for HVAC pros working on heat pumps and air conditioning systems. This Click Torque X7 wrench offers a range from 10 to 100 Newton meters, and it's built to meet professional calibration standards, so you can trust the accuracy out of the box. Adjusting the torque is straightforward, with clear audible and tactile clicks as you set your desired value. The set includes 3 self-setting Joker insert spanners, covering sizes from 16 to 32 millimeters. These automatically adjust to the bolt size, making your job quicker. There's also a laser-engraved QR code to help determine the correct torque value for different applications. I think that's pretty genius, to be honest. Overall, the Wera 9530 is a solid, specialized tool for HVAC tasks. It's not cheap, but if precision and efficiency are your priorities, it might be worth the investment.